had fun tonight.
Likewise. You made my date. No, scratch that. You made my night by forgiving me.
Are you home yet?
Nah, not yet. I had a few errands I just completed. Shouldn't you be in bed?
Well, I tried, but I can't sleep. I sort of miss you.
And I miss you too. Hey, do you want me to come over?
Can you?
Anything for my baby. I have the key. See you in 15 minutes.
So I'll be waiting.
Everybody hustle.
To lose a child at that age, murdered in his prime. I can just imagine what she has been going through. It was hard watching her. To bury a child is never easy.
By the grace of God, ma, you would never, ever need to know that feeling. Okay?
I'm going to the station to visit your father. Would you like to go with me this time? Anyway, I understand. Don't worry. It will be well. Now pick my bag to the room. Hello.
Ma.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine. And how are you too?
I'm fine. And Nick?
He's fine. And the doctors say he's healing fast.
Oh, that's good news. Thank God. Your brother and I just returned from your cousin's funeral. It was such a gloomy affair. Oh. I'll get into the kitchen and prepare some dinner for you guys.
Ma, when you're coming, can you get me a change of clothes?
And Nick?
He's fine. I packed enough.
Oh, okay. Expect me in 4 hours. Dropping by the station to see your dad. Should I come get you so that you talk to him?
No, I don't want to see him.
Oh, Mimi.
Ma.
Anyway, I understand. Expect me soon, eh?
Yes, Nick's mom is coming as well.
Ah. Is she back?
I called her as soon as Nick was admitted. She flew in this afternoon.
Oh. It's so unfortunate that we have to meet for the first time under these circumstances. Anyway, I'll be happy to meet her. See you soon, my dear.
Okay, ma. See you soon.
Who is this? You be new person. Ask your friend go court, you dey here. What did they do for her? You be transfer of the new case.
New case.
What's your name?
Mr. Kofi Simpson.
You dey crazy, idiot. You can't hear. You see register people right say minister for here. Kofi. Stop. You be the old Wait, you can't sit for a place with me. I dey sleep, eh? Stop.
Krachi, give us some privacy. Hey, how are you?
How am I checking?
Jojo doesn't want to see you. And Mimi is with Nick in the hospital.
Is he okay?
He's alive. Mimi says he's healing fast.
Thank God he's alive. Somebody in here told me I'll be killed if he dies.
Is that how it is?
Yeah, I don't know. But please, they will be asking him some questions.
Yes.
Listen, his testimonies would determine if I have to live here or not.
Then I'll talk to him.
Yes.
I'll talk to
Try
him.
and talk to him.
Yes, I'll do that.
Please tell him it was a mistake.
Okay.
I didn't know.
Time up. Time up. Time up.
Sir,
Stop.
give me 1 minute. Let me talk
Time
to my
up.
wife for 1 minute.
Honey, I'm fine. I can do this myself.
You would open your stitches. Can we address the elephant in the room?
Oh, yeah, right. I mean, I knew your father hated me, but I just didn't think he hated me that bad to shoot me. Well, he said it wasn't deliberate.
Talk like you don't believe him.
Do you?
He's my father. He would never hurt anyone. He's like a big teddy bear.
Look where I ended up. That's not the impression I got. Look, Mimi, I'm in a healing process. We are not having this conversation now. Wait, let me get out of here first, then we'll see, okay?
You rest.
On the contrary, I haven't seen you sleep since yesterday.
That's because I sleep when you are asleep. So if you want me to sleep, let's go back to sleep.
Yes, Dr. Simpson. Look, I am perfectly okay. Alright? I don't belong here in the first place.
That's not what the doctors say. I called your mom and she'll be here soon. So you can rest till then.
My mom. Okay.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Ade, you don't share. You want share fun? What have they done to you? Don't feel bad for me.
It's good to see you too, Mom.
Who is this?
My name is Mimi. I called you when...
Who shot my son?
Mom.
What? Why is no one answering?
My father.
What? Your father shot my son Bàbá ẹ̀yin ọmọ tèmi ń bọ̀. Fún kí ni? Mbade, why? What did you do?
I didn't do anything, Mom. You thought I was someone else.
Ha! And what are you doing here? What are... Moti Monsi. Oh, over Paris, chef Mabe. You are here to finish the job for your father, Abi? Mama! You are here to finish the job for your father. Hey! Police chef for you?
Mama, she's my
girlfriend. Girlfriend? Ah, hey. Wow. One be my girlfriend, you pada. Oh yeah. Pada, oh yeah. Ah. Shora yensi. Ade shora ye. Better women I shown you. You said you never want a child, a baby girl. Oh Lord, for my day, Anyo, you want to befriend a daughter of a hunter. Oh my baba, Lord there. Ah, Ade. Hey! Oh! Mama show!
You're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing? Kí ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀? Embarrassing? That man who shot you, where is he now?
Nick!
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling now, my son?
I'm fine now.
Ade, tatu lele yo.
Mama, it is not the best of circumstances, but how for do? This is Auntie Grace, Mimi's mother. Auntie Grace, this is my mom, all the way from Nigeria, the one and only Mrs. Taki.
Mrs. Taki, I'm happy to meet you. Hey.
Ayama kweo.
Hey!
Oh my liar.
You said that I can hear you.
Your husband tried to kill my son, and you dare call him your son? How dare you?
No. Oh, it was an accident. He didn't mean to.
Well, I don't want to hear anything. Whether it is an accident, yo, whether it is not an accident, yo, that is not my problem. Now, all I want now is for you and your daughter to get out of this place. Go away from here. Nick, go away.
It is not their fault, Mama.
Look, I have had enough. Thank you, Ekufe.
I brought you dinner.
God forbid. Allah ma je, wo, gbe dinner. Wait, what here? Gbe dinner ma lọ. Gbe dinner ma lọ. Poison ló gbé wá. Poison. Májèlé. Ha. Your husband tried to kill my son with a gun. He did not succeed. Now you brought poison in form of food. Kofi, go away with your food. I don't want your food. We don't need your food. Nick.
Oh, mommy, put down food.
I said, and your man. Oh, thank you for taking care of us. Thank you. Anyway, wrong way. Go away. Thank you. Thanks for your help. Go away.
Mama.
Don't mind them. Olórí burúkú ni wọ́n. Lie down. Ade, where is that man that shot you?
He's in remand, pending investigation. They say my statement will determine whether he stays locked up or not.
Good. Otie Dabe. Look, your uncle will be back very soon. For the meantime, I want you to relax, rest, while I go and get us dinner, okay? Not this poisonous food that they brought. And where are the nurses? No, there's no nurse around here. I will get you one when I get down, okay? Let me go and get us one.
Some moves around you go like that too. As you come out now, I start the bike on the start. The way that I come out can make noise, boys rush me. Hey, the like we do say Koti come around early, like Banami that die. So here I come the Charlie. Let me fail. Hey, why you what take you can hear?
Evidence in some Charlie.
It is talk. You guys talk.
Some runnings I go pick way up fire.
Yeah. See what you did. I didn't try that. Slow down, my guy. Why they make noise like that?
Sundan mada. Sundan mada. Sundan mada. Sundan mada.
You the hang all they do with it. Do the 2 work for them niggas.
Sundan tayao.
Yes, bring yourself. You crazy.
Sundan mada. Sundan mada. Sundan mada. Sundan mada.
Good. Go. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Come on, Abani. Well, what did you do this? You didn't pray for house. Why you have to before the car? Who time you eat? See, this one be 8 pack or 10 pack. See, 25. How you take this chicken here? You just say pregnancy will take for here. Now, raise your hand. You just want to small exercise plus you. See, big ass. You know. See, you le fier tout. 1. Pull your ear plus 1. 1. Now, press 1. Press 1 leg. Hey, press 1 leg.
You know what's the best?
I will not take a step. I beg.
Take out.
You be the boss for you. The boss for you.
Come on, please.
Press the left first. Press the left first. Sign for the. You say here. Now, go down. Go down. Slow. Make you sing for me. Sing.
Give us song. Give us song.
Mara, go sing.
Papa be Martin.
Oh yeah.
Papa be Martin is a
Jesus.
Ade, Kilode, what is it? What's wrong?
It is just a bad dream. It's just a bad dream. I'm even tired.
You've been having lots of those lately. Don't worry, fine. The detectives are here.
Where's Uncle Shegun?
The Shegun is outside. He's around.
Okay.
Mr. Taki, we would like to collect your statement before we start our investigation. So, may we begin?
Mr. Taki, tell us what happened on the night of the shooting.
I was visiting Mimi, Mr. Simpson's daughter. I had my own key, so I let myself in. Just when I got inside the living room, Mr. Simpson shot me.
Did he see you before pulling the trigger?
Yes, he did. But then again, it might not have been deliberate. It all happened so fast.
Before that night, what was your relationship with Mr. Simpson?
Tense. He had hated me ever since the whole Adelaide situation.
Adelaide?
And who is Adelaide?
Adelaide is a lady I used to see before Mimi.
And what has this gotten to do with Mr. Simpson?
What I hear is she is also his mistress. And he had seen us together once. And I quite remember the first time Mimi introduced me to her parents at home. Boy, Mr. Simpson was obviously upset.
What are you doing in my house? Listen, you want to add my daughter to your harem, eh? C'est not possible. Not on my watch. It's not going to happen.
Did he eventually accept your relationship with his daughter?
You see, he had tried to separate us a couple of times. His most extreme attempt was very recent, before this whole incident.
Nick!
What?
Ah! I'm going to teach this bastard a lesson.
Did you do anything that might have provoked him to shoot you that night?
You think I'm stupid? I don't know what you did?
What are you talking about?
I recognized your work as soon as I saw you in that restaurant.
What do you mean?
Don't play dumb. You set me up.
What are you insinuating, young man? What insolence?
I didn't expect you to admit it in the first place.
Listen, let me tell you something. You are not good for my daughter, and I don't want to see you near her again. I will do everything possible to keep you apart.
And I will do whatever it takes to stay with her. Listen, I wonder what your family would say if I tell them about your amorous exploits with that girl you set me up with. Exactly. They don't need to know, right? Good. Keep Mimi away from me again, and I am bringing Adelaide home. You understand? Not at all.
How can we reach Adelaide?
I can give you her contact numbers, if that would be convenient for you.
Okay, Mr. Taki. Thank you very much. Please don't leave Accra yet. We will contact you for further information. Okay.
Thank you too.
Thank you so much.
VVIP. Send a dog a do.
Make her enter Kolo. Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo. Pass me the palm wine. Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go. Kolo.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through away. So make I bust a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, on more fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Nadine never expire.